guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another Fab Bag unboxing video. Fab Bag unboxing videos are my favorite ones because you get to give yourself a surprise gift every month, and I really get excited when I receive my Fab Bags. So yeah, if you're interested in watching what I got in my September's Fab Bag, then please keep on watching. So I was doubly excited this month for two reasons. First being September is my birthday month. Yes, I was born on 13th September. And the second reason being Fabbag also celebrates its anniversary in September month. So I was really looking forward to receive this month's bag. So the theme of this month's bag is Ultimate September Fab Bags because it's their anniversary month. So let's get started with the unboxing now. So I have received my Fab Bag in their classic packaging, classic cardboard packaging, just like always. And this is how I received my parcel today, and I have sanitized it completely with that disinfectant spray. So let's open this now. So the bag this month looks something like this. It's in blue color. Like you don't have option to choose the color of the bag, like they send this to you randomly. So they have like 8 or 6 colors this month, red and yellow and white and blue and purple. So yeah, I have received this in blue color. The only thing I didn't like about this month's bag is that they don't have a zipper closing to the bag. Like it's just a clip-on thing and you have to clip it on, and that's how you close it. So if you want to use this as a storage, you can't really use it because the things will keep falling out from here and here. So yeah, that's very disappointing. Like I wish they had included the zipper, so it would have been so convenient to use this pouch. But anyway, we can still use this as a clutch. So yeah, this is how the bag looks like. And I also received one product which they couldn't fit in the bag separately here in the cardboard box, so I'm gonna show that to you later. So let's open the bag and see what all we have got in this month's bag. Just like any other bag, we have 2 cards this month also. First one contains all the detail of all the product we have received, including their MRP. And as I just mentioned, the theme of this bag is the Ultimate September Fab Bag. So we have received like 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 full-size product this month. Like we don't have any sample size or miniature version of any product. We have 5 full-size products, so that's a great thing. So that was the first thing. And the another one contains details of the ongoing contest, which says in my Fab Bag. So you just have to click a picture with your Fab Bag and tag in my Fab Bag, and you can win, like you can stand a chance to win Seduction Las Vegas mini lipstick set and TS Cosmetics press glitter. I'm really want to win this giveaway, so I am definitely gonna participate in this one. I really want to win the TS Cosmetics press glitters. Sorry for my communication skills, guys, I'm very bad at it. Okay, let's forget that and move on to the product we have received. So the first thing I see here is the soap company India's Musk body wash. This is 100 ml product. So I got a suggestion that you can't really see my product properly because I don't really show this to you. So I'm just gonna put the close-ups of every product from now on in all my videos. So that's very good suggestion I got. So this is the TS company's body shop in the variant Musk. This is 100-gram product, and this one 100 milliliter product, and this one retails for 250 rupees. So yeah, let's open this and smell how actually it smells. Oh my god, are you kidding me? Oh, the scent is so refreshing. I have smelled something like this before also in high-end perfume. I can't really remember the name, but it's so... oh my god, I cannot believe this smells so good, man. and it also contains the direction of use and all the ingredients at the back here. So yeah, that's there. This is like the fixed product. Everyone this month is gonna get the face wash, body wash this month. Now another product which they are gonna send to everyone, and that is Palmer's coconut oil formula with vitamin E hydrating sheet mask. This one retails for 305, and this is how it looks like. Palmer's is very good company if you don't know already, and you can see egg mark here, which means it's completely vegetarian product. Now it doesn't have any paraben, no sulfate, no gluten, no mineral oils, no dyes or anything. It's all natural and very good for skin. I'm really happy to receive this. This is the second product, and this is fixed product, like everyone is gonna get this one for sure. So these were the two products. Now the third thing which came in the box and not in the bag is this one. This is Global Beauty Secrets Turkish shampoo and conditioner in the flavor rose and mint. So this is how it looks like. I know you can't really see this properly. I'm gonna put the close up somewhere after this. So yeah, this is how it looks. This again is 100 milliliter product. Yeah, this is 100 milliliter product, and this one retails for rupees 800. This is quite expensive for a shampoo. I haven't really heard about this brand before, but it sounds promising. Like it says it's sulfate free, it's paraben free, it's silicone free, and it is completely recyclable and 100% vegetarian product and not tested on animals. So that's a great thing. Now I'm gonna open this up. This was manufactured in 2019 and it expires in May 2020, if you can see here. So
you have to use this pretty well, like pretty soon. So I'm gonna open this. It is completely silk padded. See, there is this plastic thing all over it. So I'm gonna open this because I really wanna smell this. How amazing this smells.
Okay, that's a weird kind of smell. I also see a pamphlet over here. I don't know, it must be the detail about the brand and everything. It is again a sealed one, so I'm gonna read that later. So the tube actually looks something like this. It's a classic packaging. If you can see the print and everything, so Romani and so Turkish. So it looks very classy, and it is completely matte. It's not shiny. I'm gonna open this. Oh, this doesn't smell good. I don't know. I don't like the smell of this. It's too much herbally smell. Yeah, I'll have to try this out and then I can tell more about this product. So this is the next product I received this month. Now the star product for me this month was Sugar's Matte as Hell crayon lipstick, and we get to choose the shade. Like they have different shade this time also to choose from, and I went for 25 Lily Aldrin. So this is how the package looks like. This one retails for 900, like 899 rupees. So like you pay 599 for 1 month, and this single product itself covers the value of the entire bag. So isn't that great? Like I don't know what you guys are waiting for. Just go ahead and just give yourself a treat of Fabbag every month, and I would suggest you go for like 3 months or 6 months or 12 months, because that way you get even more discount and you get it at very cheaper rate. So yeah, this is the shade, and I'm gonna swatch it for you right here so you can tell if you wanna go for this or not. I hope I am clear this time and you can see every product clearly. This is what actually I'm wearing on my lips today. So I already am a big fan of Sugar brand, so I will never have any complaints about them. So I just love this one, and this is a star product for me. So the July month was more of like eye makeup bag, and this time they have like 2 lip products. So this is more of a lip product, Fab Bag. So the next product is again Brick New York's lip liner, and we also get to choose lip liner shades this month. So I went for which shade? Yeah, 03 Deep Wine. Again, I haven't really heard about this brand before, but it is cruelty free and vegan brand. So designed and developed in New York. That's what the packaging says. This one expires in 2023, so it will go for 2 more years from now. Yeah, so the shade looks something like, okay, this is a very nice shade. I think I can wear this on its own. So this is the shade, the second one. It is deep wine and it's kind of on a red color. So yeah, that's the last product in this bag. Also, yeah, the crayon isn't retractable, so you have to sharpen the crayon. So for that we have very good quality sharpener from Sugar. And the best thing about this sharpener is that it's not just meant for crayons. Like, wait, let me show this to you first and then tell the rest. Okay, so this is how the sharpener looks like, and this one also contains a sharpening part for pencils also. This one is for crayon and this one is for pencil, so you're sorted if you have anything which you have to sharpen and it's in pencil form. So yeah, that's a great thing. I am really happy to receive this because you don't have to go around and buy the sharpener separately, because this one really cost around 200 or something if I'm not wrong. Yeah, the sharpeners are also very expensive. So this opens up from bottom also like this. So this is how the sharpener looks like. So we also got sharpener along with the crayon. Now I forgot to tell you that you get to choose either this shampoo or conditioner, or you can also go for the Global Beauty Secrets face wash. I don't remember which variant because I completely forgot that. I think it was in rose. No, this one is rose and mint. I don't really remember. I will try to put this on the screen so you can get the idea. So we get option to choose from the Global Secret shampoo or face wash. Then we have Sugar's Cosmetics shade. Like they have like 8 different shades to choose from, and then we can also choose our Brick Cosmetics on Fleek lip liner shades. So yeah, we have 3 options to choose this time. So that was all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this and are gonna order for September's Fab Bag or any other Fab Bag in the future. I will highly recommend you invest your money in this month's bag or any other month's bag, because I have full trust and faith on Fabbag that they are always gonna get you the best product you would ever want in your vanity. So these products also are very useful. Like these aren't gonna sit in your vanity or sit in the corner of your vanity and you will never use it. That's not gonna happen because everything is so useful. So I just go ahead and buy yourself a Fab Bag, especially if you have if you have birthday in this month as well. So yeah, that was all. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will come back with more unboxing videos and more hauls and beauty and lifestyle related videos. So stay tuned for that. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Like this video and please comment करके जाना, because comment पढ़ने में मुझे बहुत ही अच्छा लगता है. So yeah, that was all. Wait for my next video. Until then, bye bye.